add an adjustment layer. I click on filter, then dark brown and then +30. I set brightness to +10, contrast to +5, saturation to +10 and exposure to +4. Then I go to HSL, here I make about the following adjustments: orange, 0, 90, 0, yellow, -5, 15, -5, green, 10, -15, -20, light blue, 5, 5, -25. Now go to graphs and adjust the 3 graphs exactly as I did. Then I set highlights to +30, shadows to -8, temperature to +50, hue to +15, vignette to +10 and grain to +30. Here is the before and after comparison.